This is truly an amazing home renovation. The Worzalla brothers spent 2.5 years, using their professional design knowledge and relentless effort, to completely transform an abandoned grain silo built in 1909 into a charming vacation home. Their renovation journey can almost be described as, from ruins to dream home. The silo was in what could only be described as a battle-damaged condition, its exterior was damaged, and the interior was filled with rubble and debris. But for these half-brothers, the Syrian-style dilapidation actually provided them with great inspiration and motivation. The first step was to take precise measurements of the silo and hand-draw renovation plans, which came naturally to them as design professionals. Next, they began the painstaking task of cleaning. Although there was a tree inside the silo that looked unique, they decided to cut it down to ensure the smooth progress of the renovation. They then continued clearing the remaining debris and waste, using saws and various tools. After several hours of hard work, they finally cleared the debris from the floor. After cleaning the interior, they turned their attention to the exterior of the silo. By renting a bulldozer, they began clearing the surrounding dirt. Although the bulldozer helped, they still worked for most of the day, even removing some deeply rooted stumps. Next, they began preparing the ground by first installing conduit pipes, then laying gravel to ensure the surface was level and solid. After that, the Worzalla brothers focused on the silo's interior walls. They used a pressure washer to clean the walls and remove the moss. Despite the building being over a century old, the wall deterioration wasn't severe. They then laid a steel framework and rented a truckload of concrete to pour the floors both inside and outside the building. Two days later, the concrete floor had fully set. They cleaned the cement dust from the surface and used the pressure washer again to refresh the entire floor. Since the exterior walls of the silo had weathered quite badly, the brothers decided to carry out further repairs, especially removing loose stones and crumbling cement from the walls. Although the task was tedious and time-consuming, the brothers persevered and eventually finished painting the exterior walls, even working late into the night under the lights to complete the job. With the exterior wall repairs completed, they rented a lift to continue repairing the interior walls. When repairing the interior walls, the brothers paid great attention to detail, meticulously patching the cement and filling in gaps with stones. After another night of overtime, they finally completed the repairs on the silo's interior and exterior walls, and the work moved on to the next stage.